Hello everyone and welcome to episode 3 of UAE Corporate Tax podcast series. So in episode 1 you must have heard the term Qualifying Freezone Person. So let us know what is it about. So as we know, free zones in the UAE give a lot of tax incentives. So as per Article 3 and 18 we got to know that a qualifying free zone person is taxable at a rate of 0% for its qualifying income and a rate of 9% for its non-qualifying income. So how does a free zone person become a qualifying free zone person? So there are 4 conditions that it must fulfill in order to become a qualifying free zone person. First of which is that it must maintain an adequate substance in the UAE. Second condition is that it shall not opt for a 9% corporate tax regime, that is voluntary option or election for corporate tax. Third, being that it derives qualifying income, which will be defined later by the cabinet. Fourth, that it complies with the arm's length principle and the TP documentation. So if the qualifying free zone person fails to meet any of the conditions mentioned earlier during the tax period, it ceases to be a qualifying free zone person from the beginning of that tax period. Also, the qualifying free zone person has to elect to opt for this incentive of 0%. This election comes into effect from the beginning of the tax period in which the election is made or the beginning of the next tax period in which the election is made. Also, this incentive or the 0% tax is only applicable for the remaining tax incentive periods that has been specified by the free zone. Such period can be extended by the cabinet, however, only up to a maximum of 50 years. So there are a lot of uncertainties in this area as the definition of qualifying income is still not out. Also, what it means by adequate substance in UAE. At the minimum, we would require that the definition of qualifying income shall consider the foreign source income of a free zone person as it was mentioned in the public consultation document earlier. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the further episodes and we'll keep on bringing good insights from UAE corporate tax just for you.